Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review one of the most popular chocolate brands in the world, which is Nestle KitKat. So friends, this is the Nestle KitKat share bag which I purchased online, and this is a new packaging which you get for the KitKat share bag. So if you love KitKat and want to have it as a dessert snack, so this is an amazing pack that you get. So let's move on to the packaging here. So this is your original red KitKat packaging. You can see the red KitKat color, and there's a Nestle branding here, and the big KitKat branding here. Then they have shown a KitKat Wafer chocolate right here, and then there's a price. So the original MRP of this product is 105, but it's on discount right now for rupees 100. Moving on, this is a share bag which contains 14 delicious fingers inside. So there are 14 delicious KitKat fingers available inside, and then there's their tagline: "Have a break, have a KitKat." On to the right side, it is showing the amount of calories and nutrition from the bar. Which is, if a serve is one KitKat finger, then the energy that you will gain is 47 kilocalories. Total fat contents of a single finger is 2.3 grams. Saturated fat is 2.1 gram. Total sugars in the bar are 4.4 grams. And sodium contents are 10.1 milligram. So this is the front side of the KitKat share bag. Moving on behind, there is a lot of information from ingredients to the best before date, which is it is best before 8 months from packaging. Then again the nutrition values, the nutrition table here, the Nestle branding, the customer care number, and the net weight. The net weight for this package is 126 grams. The contents are 7 units or 18 gram each. And then the packaging information here, packaging date, pack by, and the lot number, and there's a barcode to scan. A small warning also here: it may contain peanuts, so if you have an allergy from nuts and peanuts, avoid eating KitKat. Again, there's a small KitKat branding right here on top as well. So let's quickly open the packet and see what are the contents inside, how is the packaging inside the share bag. So guys, I've just torn open the packaging. There was a glue available here like this to tear the packaging, so it can easily be opened. So let's look inside the packaging. What do we have? And here you can see that there are a total of 7 smaller KitKat packets which are available inside the share bag of 2 fingers each. So there are in total 14 fingers with 7 packets of 2 fingers each. So again, coming to the packaging, it is the original red KitKat packaging here again, with the Nestle and the KitKat branding, along with the similar picture of a KitKat finger being broken into 2 pieces. Then on the side we have the KitKat tagline: "Have a break, have a KitKat." And again, similar info of net weight of the fingers, which is 18 grams, and the calorie contents and stuff. So yeah, this is the packaging. So inside the share bag we have got 7 smaller packets of KitKat of 2 fingers each. So in total you get 14 KitKat fingers in the share bag. So let's move on to the review of the product. Like, what do we think? How does it taste? Is it nice? Is it bad? And different things. Like, let's open one of the packets and review it. At the red packaging we have 2 fingers of KitKat wrapped into a silver foil here. You can see this. So let's open it in the original KitKat way. Like you just slide your finger through it to cut it open, and you break the finger into two. So here you have. So here are the two KitKat fingers, and we can see here it is. The delicious KitKat finger here. Now you can see that there's a KitKat branding on the KitKat finger itself. See, there is chocolate. So it looks like there's very fine chocolate below, and the wafer can be seen here. Like I remember eating KitKat earlier in my childhood days, and it used to be full of chocolate. It seems like nowadays there's less chocolate on the KitKat fingers. Anyways, moving on. This is a KitKat finger. The chocolate feels smooth, and it has a wafer inside. So we'll quickly just break it into two to show you. I'll just take one piece here. So you can see there are different layers of biscuits and chocolate. So there are like 3 layers of biscuit covered in chocolate. So yeah, this is a KitKat finger. Looks delicious though, but I'm disappointed that there's very little chocolate on that. Like earlier there used to be more chocolate on the KitKat finger. Moving on, let's review the taste of it. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and taste the KitKat finger to tell you how does it feel. It tastes nice, but like I said, very little chocolate than what it used to be earlier. Now I think it's going down. I'm feeling more like a munch than a KitKat right now, with the lesser chocolate on it. So surely I feel the quality of KitKat has deteriorated from what it used to be earlier. It's more feeling, give me the munch feeling more than a KitKat. Like the lesser premium brand like Perk and Munch, nowadays the KitKat is tasting like more like that. So yeah, so this was my review about the KitKat share bag. I shared the price with you all. It is costing ₹100. I've left the link to buy the pack online from Amazon in the description below. If you want to buy it, you can go ahead and buy it from there. Do let me know your experience about the KitKat. Like, what is your review? How do you all find KitKat? Do you all think there are better alternatives to KitKat? So do let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.